Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to put text-to-speech feature on your Instagram Reels. So, let me tell you first that using text-to-speech features is only available in specific regions, and unfortunately for me, I don't have the text-to-speech feature, but I can tell you how to get there. So first of all, let's head over to our Instagram app first, shall we? And show you how to make a reel, if you didn't know. So click on the plus button down here, head over to reel down here as well, and click on a video that you want to post. I'm gonna just choose a photo of the map here of the game, and now I'll be writing some words, having fun right now. And if you hold down the text down here, usually if you have text-to-speech available, you'll be able to see text-to-speech over here. But as for me, I am very unfortunate and I don't have text-to-speech available, and instead I have some effects of some weird goat sounds. I can have some voiceover, which I will be doing right now, and as you can see, I have put voiceover, essentially my own voice, onto my video, my Instagram reel. So it's in a way, it's still text with speech, but it's not text to speech. But if you're luckier than I am, if you live in some region that has these things, like probably America, I think you'll have the text to speech option, just as long as you explore this page over here, just as long as you hold that text down there earlier and explore this entire workshop, if I would like to call it that way. But yeah, that is how you'll be able to find text-to-speech on Instagram Reels. I hope this video helped you, because I feel envious for everyone who have the text-to-speech. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial and what you got out of it. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.